going to introduce Richard Lee, the principal sponsor of Proposition 19. I simply want to say that it is rather remarkable that we have a situation where a citizen, gets involved in the political process and has an opportunity to change history the way Richard Lee has. So I would like to applaud you for coming.
Well, first of all, I give a lot of credit to all the people I've been working with, all the people at my company. I'd like to say that, we all did it together, not just me. Couple quick comments. First of all, we wrote it very carefully not to affect medical marijuana laws. And, we'll have to see after it passes, if our lawyers did a good job and wrote it so that it doesn't pass, doesn't change any medical marijuana, doesn't reduce any of the rights medical marijuana patients have now.
Could you hold the microphone 2 inches further away? That's
Sorry about that.
Can everybody hear? Can everybody hear?
Used to allow crowds. So that's just the big misunderstanding that I think is out there, and I think there's a lot of people in the medical marijuana industry who don't want it to pass because they have a monopoly, they have things very well the way they like it now, where they have a system that's working. They want to keep things the way they are. And as far as the violence and the blowtorch to the testicles, that's exactly what we want to get away from by reducing the price. And yeah, we can't legislate greed away from the planet, but we can get the price down. We don't have people doing that over alcohol now. We don't have home invasion robberies for people running stills and breweries in their basements and bedrooms. And so that's the idea. And I know we will have the problem with the export out of state initially, but we do see this as the first step toward changing federal law to getting other states to change their laws. And alcohol prohibition didn't end in every state right away. I do see, on the federal level, a 21st Amendment type solution, basically turning it over to the states, saying it's only against federal law if it's against state law. And, all states won't legalize right away, just as all states didn't legalize alcohol right away. Kansas didn't legalize until 46, and Mississippi didn't legalize alcohol until 1966, 33 years after federal prohibition ended and other states legalized. So, we do have to see this. And in the big picture, this is about prejudice and bigotry, that people who use alcohol think they're better than cannabis consumers. And to me, that's the heart of it, the way I've always looked at it my whole life, is that it's hypocritical and unjust to lock people up for cannabis while alcohol is not only legal, but advertised on TV like soda pop to kids every day. And we do need to change the culture. We got to start with the laws, and that's the first step, and then hopefully we'll get there. Thank you.
Richard, thank you very much for your time. Any other comments?
No, I'm just impressed. People want to talk about it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for coming. One final acknowledgement of our panel. Thank you very much. We are adjourned. And with the paper party, I want to thank Rachel Kurtz and Zatsuko Goharo, who did all the work for our program.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I agree. Thank you very much.